Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So not just only the price of Bitcoin, if you also look at the price action of Ethereum, right now Ethereum is showing a very interesting scenario. What I mean by that, if you look at the price structure starting in a weekly time frame for Ethereum and also use this log scale guys, we can see this one rising trend line right now is showing us where we are heading and also acting as one of the strongest line of support for Ethereum. Because if you look at the price structure in a weekly time frame and simply follow this rising trend line, this rising trend line is not just only showing us the possible trend direction, but it is also acting as a strong line of support in case any sort of a price retracement. And every time when we approach the rising trend line support line, you can see after that we had some really nice bounce here in price action of Ethereum. So that's why if this rising trend line support is going to be there, which could be around this 4,100 4,000 range in case of any further retracement, then we are aware this rising trend line could again be acting as a strong line of support. And after that we can see another bounce just like here from past Ethereum price action. You can see here, right? These are some really nice price movement as soon as the price found support around this rising trend line. And not just only this guys, if you also look at the price action of Ethereum here in a daily time frame, you can see here guys, according to this here in a daily time frame, I am using this ascending channel to monitor this price movement, because according to this ascending channel, the upper line areas, as you can see, are a strong line of resistance and lower line are a strong line of support. So that's why for us here in a daily time frame, the most important line is this central line. Why? Because this central line in the past Ethereum price action, as you can see, has acted as a strong line of resistance as a support, again as a resistance as a support. So that's why if we do see any sort of a further price retracement here in immediate short term, right, then around this price range of 4,400 to 4,500, we have another strong line of support lying around from this ascending channel middle line. So that's why guys, here in immediate short term, if we do see further retracement, this is where we could be getting gravitated, and after that I'm actually expecting a strong bounce in price action of Ethereum. But if we do fail to hold this support around this 4,400 4,500 range, then maybe we could be also getting gravitated towards this lower line area of this ascending channel, just like here from past price action. So if we do see further retracement here in price action of Ethereum, then guys, we also are going to get a double support from this rising trend line, because with each and every price retracement, we can see very clearly this rising trend line is definitely going to be one strong line of support for Ethereum, because it has been holding the price since March 2020. So let's see how these scenarios are going to unfold. But if you want to monitor the price structure here in a bit different way, no problem. Let me show you this chart. So this here is again in a daily time frame. What I'm actually going to do, I am going to add this one scenario which is known as descending broadening wedge, and I'm pretty much sure you guys have already seen plenty of descending broadening wedge. And right now if you look at this, the upper line here was an extremely strong line of resistance, right? You can see that very clearly. Lower line acted as a strong line of support. But if we monitor the price structure here very carefully guys, you can see the price pullback what we are witnessing could be a retest, because the same line was acting as a resistance, and in case this price sees further retracement, then we are aware the same line which previously acted as a line of resistance could be holding the price of Ethereum around this 4,400 to 4,500 range. So that's why unless this support is not going to get broken, this could still play out as an descending broadening wedge, because according to the descending broadening wedge, as soon as the price breaks out of this upper line area, in most of the cases we also see a retracement. I mean price retesting the previous temporary range line before again showing some impulsive price movement. So let's see if the price of Ethereum does manages to hold the support around this 4,400 to 4,500 range, because if we look at this Ethereum Bitcoin chart also guys, this is playing out very well. As I've already said you, Ethereum could be outperforming Bitcoin here in the upcoming month according to this chart here, because we can clearly see we have been actually forming this ascending triangle which was a bullish scenario and also broken out of this upper line area, right? So if we do see further retracement, this could again be a retest of this previous temporary resistance line before this Ethereum Bitcoin chart starts moving here to the upper direction, because we got a rejection exactly at this previous top, you can see here, right? That was around 0.0830, 0.082 sats. So that's why if we do break this resistance and flip it into support, you can see the next possible target could be again lying around the 0.10, 0.11 sats, and also towards the final destination that could be around this 0.14, 0.15 sat. So that's why we will be monitoring this chart time and again in my video. But if you look at the altcoin market in general, so guys, now before I switch into other chart, I just want to make you aware, Bybit and Femex both are providing around $4,100 bonus each. I mean, the total of $8,200 bonus is being provided for our community members. So if you are an experienced trader and want to take advantage of this market volatility, then this is the great opportunity, because Bybit, as you can see, is providing around $4,100 bonus if you use my ref link and sign up, which is going to take you not more than a minute, and also with Femex. So let's switch into other chart. So guys, now if you look at this total market cap excluding Bitcoin, you can clearly see this is a very nice cup and handle pattern. And according to this cup and handle, since the altcoin market cap has already broken out of this neckline area, right, this neckline, which previously was a strong line of resistance, is now again acting as a strong line of support. And if you look at this carefully, this could be a possible retest around this neckline area before this altcoin market cap again starts pumping here to the upper direction, because as long as the neckline is going to be there, right, as a support around this 1.38 trillion, 1.37 trillion, guys, I think altcoin could still see some more really nice impulsive movement playing out, because I showed you according to this Ethereum Bitcoin chart, this is a bullish scenario. In case even if you would see any sort of a further retracement, we are aware this could just be a retest of this previous temporary line before starts moving here to the upper direction. So that's why this altcoin market cap excluding Bitcoin also looks in favor of altcoins in the upcoming days and weeks. So let's see how these all scenarios are going to play out. So guys, if you enjoyed this kind of short update, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, come on, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.